while ReEnergies IPO rides India's renewable energy boom. While ReEnergies, India's top solar panel maker, saw its $514 million IPO fully subscribed within hours, driven by strong demand from both small and wealthy investors. The company, valued at $5 billion, benefits from India's booming renewable energy sector, where stocks have surged up to 357% this year. Prominent investors like Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, and Morgan Stanley have backed the IPO, underscoring the sector's potential as India aims to expand its renewable capacity to 500 gigawatts by 2030. However, challenges remain, including high leverage and weak cash flows. Despite this, analysts believe UiiTrade is well-positioned to capitalize on the global transition to solar energy. The company's shares are set to begin trading next week, further fueled by India's rising role in the renewable energy market. Bitcoin nears $70,000 after $2.4 billion ETH inflow. Bitcoin surged close to $70,000 on Monday, driven by $2.4 billion in inflows into U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs and Optimism around potential regulatory changes after the upcoming U.S. presidential election. The cryptocurrency gained 1% before settling at $69,000, while smaller tokens like Ether and Solana remained stable. Investor interest is fueled by hopes for more favorable crypto rules, especially with Republican candidate Donald Trump's pro-crypto stance. His Democratic rival, Vice President Kamala Harris, also supports regulatory clarity, contrasting with the current administration's crackdown. David Lewant of Falconx notes that the election and global macroeconomic trends are key to market sentiment, with Bitcoin's options market reflecting heightened volatility around the election. Bitcoin's recent rise, nearly 10% over the past week, marks its strongest weekly performance in over a month. Oil prices rebound after 7% weekly decline. Oil prices gained slightly on Monday, following a 7% drop last week, driven by worries about China's economic slowdown and reduced concerns over Middle East supply disruptions. Brent crude futures rose 0.37% to $73.33 per barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate gained 0.45% to $69.53. Despite the rebound, the gains offset only a portion of last week's losses when Brent and WTI saw their steepest declines since early September. China's third-quarter growth was the slowest since early 2023, raising concerns about future demand. However, Saudi Aramco's CEO remains optimistic, citing increased jet fuel consumption and government measures to boost growth. In the Middle East, tensions continue as Israel prepares to target Hezbollah-linked sites in Lebanon, while U.S. energy firms cut oil rig counts for the fourth time in 5 weeks.